T-Mobile has begun rolling out home internet service. Stay tuned for the details. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. And last week, T-Mobile announced that they are ready to start a pilot program rolling out home internet service. They are initially just targeting a few rural markets where they have the capacity that they feel that they can deliver speeds of at least 50 megabit per second. And it is by invitation only at present time. They hope by the end of this year that they will have the service in 50,000 homes across America, which is just a small, tiny percentage of homes. And they say by 2020, they hope that they are able to serve at least half of all zip codes in the United States. It's an ambitious goal to serve home internet service, high speed, for full use. The service is $50 per month, and it is always subject to network management. So if they do happen to deploy in an area where there is a congested market, you could get slower speeds over other customers. There's no fees, no taxes, and that fee includes the use of their wireless gateway, which is required to use the service with. Now, this is great news for rural folks that are in areas that are underserved and don't have a lot of options for internet at home. It, however, is not mobile friendly, which is what our audience is focused on, RVers, Cruisers, and Nomads. This service does have fine print in there that says that it is only able to be used at the location in which you activate the service at. So they are being very firm on this, and if they notice traffic coming from other locations, the plan could be subject to shutdown. So even if you live in one of the rural locations and you happen to get one of the invitations, don't plan to be able to use this if you RV or cruise away from your rural home. But it is great to see T-Mobile enter this space. This is kind of in advance of hoping what they can accomplish if the merger with Sprint is approved later this year, is disrupting the home internet market. So that's the news.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.